911, what's your emergency? Yeah, my wife got attacked by a warthog real bad, and I need someone to come up with an ambulance and pick her up. Okay, sir. Can you give me your address? Yeah, we're at 1825 Eucalyptus Drive. Okay, could you spell that for me, sir? I'm going to drag her on over to Oak Street, and you can pick her up there.
Boom, boom, pow. Them chickens jogging my style. They try to copy my swagger. I'm on that next shit now. I'm sold 2008. You sold 2008. I got that boom, boom, boom. That future boom, boom, boom. Let me get it now.
I'm so mad I could swallow gunpowder and 2 bullets, eat a chalupa, take off my britches, lay on my back, spread my ass cheeks, fart, and drop a deer from 100 yards.
Your mama's calling back for no real reason but just to chat. She'll waste your minutes talking about the cat or about how your dad has gotten fat. Why I picked up? Don't pick up the phone. She's your mom. Don't pick up the phone.
They say a man should always dress for the job he wants, so why am I dressed up like a pirate in this restaurant? It's all because some hacker stole my identity. Now I'm in here every evening serving chowder and iced tea. Should've gone to freecreditreport.com. I could have seen this coming at me like an atom bomb. They monitor your credit and send you email alerts, so you don't end up selling fish to tourists in t-shirts.
Offer applies with enrollment and Triple Advantage.